The next question from 9th standard motion chapter, NCRT exercise problem number 6. Okay, it is one of the fantastic question because we have to calculate that distance by using the graphical method, by using the graph. So here the calculation as well as the graph analysis is very important in this question. If you miss any one block or any one square, if you miss, it made mistake. So it should be concentrate from the beginning to and the end of the class. Okay. See now the question. Listen. Figure alongside shows the distance time graph. Okay. Distance time graph of the three objects A, B and C. Okay, three objects A, B and C. Study the graph, so you should be analyze the graph and answer the following questions. Some questions asking. Okay, so before that I will mention here. Okay, see that first point A, so that white color, the white color line, it is the motion of object, yes, the white color, the motion of the object C. Okay, then so that where A, B and C, just you mention that for identification. First A is represent this violet color. Okay, then B is represent the blue color. Okay, next C is represent that white color. Okay, for your identification. So now we observe that. Okay, so one more thing in this point where the two objects will meet, so that should be careful. So here one point, here see that the blue color and violet color will meet, here that white color and violet color will meet, here blue color and white color will meet. Okay, should be careful. Now we see the question. First one, which of the three traveling the fastest? So among these three particles, which is having more fast? So you know very well the relationship between the distance time graph, if the slope is more. Okay, so you know very well that wait, I can explain that. Yes, for example, it is a slope. It's a graph. It is a slope. See that it is a slope. Okay. For example, it is the first graph. It is a slope. Okay. It's a second graph. Now the slope is more. That is, the angle is more. Second slope is high. Okay. If the slope is more, that speed is more. Okay. So you should remember that velocity, sorry, that speed and this position and time graph. Just to recapitulate previous videos. Okay, so you know very well I explained about velocity and the speed by using the graphical diagram. So whenever the slope value is increasing, that velocity or speed value is increasing. So it is very clear. See that A is what is that? That A lane is that, yes, it is the A lane. See that here it is not that much slope. Okay, it is like a normal. It is little normal. So it is less velocity only. Like that next one, see that white somewhat slope is there, but comparing with white, see this blue color, that is the point B. Point B is more slope, so we can say this is more fast. Okay, so that A question answer which is more fast. Okay, so answer B particle only travel more fast, or B object only traveling more fast because its slope is more. Okay, first question over. See the second question. Are all three ever at the same point on the road? மூணு ரோட்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு A, B and C. இது மூணு மீட் பண்ணிக்குதான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Whether they are meeting, A, B, C are meeting at a time? No. If it is meet at a time means what will come? A, for example, A, B and C. we can get this intersection. Okay, A, B, C, like that some intersection will come. But here nothing there. Okay, okay. See that here if you observe that B and A will meet. Here C and A will meet. Here B and C will meet. But A, B, C at a time it will not meet. So no, answer is what? Here it's a no. Okay. Then next one very important, should be careful. See that how far has C traveled when B passes A? Okay, B வந்து BA cross ஆகக்குள்ள C எவ்வளவு தூரம் போயிடுன்னு கேட்குறேன். ஓகே, BA cross ஆகக்குள்ள C எவ்வளவு தூரம் போயிடும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் BA பாருங்க, BA எங்க cross ஆகுது பார்க்கலாம். It is B, this is A. Here it will be cross. Okay, here it will be cross. So this is the point B cross with A. At the time, what about the distance travelled by C? See that next is C. See that now, this it is B and C travelled point. I mean it is a crossing point. B and C is meeting point. Sorry, B and A. Sorry. B and A, see that this is B, this is A, B and A meeting point. At the time, what about the distance travelled by C? See that it's a C. So C is where? Here. This is 8. Okay. But that is point number C is not starting with the origin. It is starting from in between. So how to calculate? So if you observe here, this point C, that is it, this point is meeting with 8 km, but it's not 8 km because it is starting from it is not starting from origin. It is starting from somewhat 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4th box only it started. So how to approach this question? So we need up to here to listen. We need the distance up to from here to here only. So this is the distance travelled by C when B and A meeting at the time. Clear? So அப்ப நம்ம இதில இருந்து இது வரைக்கும் மட்டும் கால்குலேட் பண்ண போறோம். இது நமக்கு தேவை. Okay? So dear students, here one more point if you focus, see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 box is equal to 4 km. Okay, I will write the answer here. Okay, I will write the answer here. Okay, wait. 7 box is equal to, it is very important point right now I am writing. See that 7 box in y axis. In y axis, 7 box is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 box is equal to 4 km. So 1 box is equal to what will come? 4 by 7 km. It is very important point in the y-axis. Clear? Yes. So now I am going to answer this question here. Okay? See that. How? Listen. So the distance travelled by C at a time when B is crossing with A. So the distance I can write now here. Actually here you know what is the point? It's the point is 8 km. 8 km minus. So from here to here only 8 km. But I need from here only. I need from so this 4 box I don't want. So but you know 1 box how much kilometer? So like that. Here how many boxes is there extra? 1 2 3 4. This 4 box I don't want. So we can write that 4 box into each box value how much? That is 4 divided by 7 km. So you want to simplify this. Okay? So you can write 8 km is common minus 16 divided by 7. Okay? 16 divided by 7. So 16 divided by 7 I can write 16 then 7. Yes, we can write as 2 times. So the remaining 2 point add 0. So again 2 times. So so that the remaining 6, so if you add 0, so 8 times, so 56 something, so 2.28 will come. So we can write 8 minus 2.28, okay, right on 56, the remaining 4, again add 0, 25, so 2.285 something, okay, 2.28, okay, which, so 8 minus 2.8 minus 8 minus 2.28, so how much will come? Here you know 2, then here 9 is there, so it is a 7, so here actually what is it, the 7 is there, so remaining 50, so 5.72, okay, so approximate value, so okay, so 5.72 we can write, so the answer is here 5.72 kilometer. Okay, so if you do more accurate this answer, you can get the book answer, that is 5.714 kilometer like that. So it is also right. Next question, D question C that how far has B traveled by the time it passed C? So now B crossed C. Okay, so we know that this is B, this one C. So then these will meet actually approximately here. Okay. So please listen, students. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So after completing the 9 box, actually here only will come. Okay, here little changes right now. Okay, so actually here the 9 box will be completed. Okay. So please listen here. Listen from here to here. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a 9 box it will be completed. So that is the distance of the B. Okay, where then B and C will be crossing. Okay, when the B is meet with the C, the distance covered by the B particle is totally 9 boxes. So 9 boxes means how much kilometer will come? So we can see this answer. So that totally 9 box. So each box you know that is a 4 by 7 kilometer. Okay. So it is like 36 divided by 7. Okay. So 36 and 7. So we can write. So 5 times. So 35. So the remaining 1 point add 0. So we can say 1 time. So the remaining 3. Then add 0. Then 4 times. So 28, so the remaining 2, so the remaining 2, so it is like 2 times it is going, so 5.14. So we can write that distance traveled by the B object while crossing B and C. So that distance is what? That is 5.14 kilometer. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand then how to analyze the graph, then how to trace the value from the graph. Okay, then the physical meaning of this graph. That means this physical meaning what? This comparison between 3 object movements with respect to the time. Okay, the position of the object with respect to time. So actually this slope meaning is what? That is a speed. Actually it is speed. But anyhow they didn't ask about the speed. They are asking only about the distance only. So we counted only that what is that, in the vertical axis box value only we counted. We didn't calculate the horizontal box. If we calculate the horizontal box, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in the 5 box in x-axis is equal to, that is a 0.4 hours. Okay, so like that. Okay, so in future if any other questions will come, you should solve. Okay.